Well, hey guys, it's Nat. You like my new sign? Welcome to my kitchen. We're making espresso pralines. You're going to need 2 cups of packed brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter. You need 2/3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now you're going to get all this in your pot. You want a heavy pot to conduct the heat. You need 2 tablespoons of heavy syrup. Now when you're done with that, you're going to stir this, and it's going to be a lot of stirring, just like the Tiffer chocolate. So you're just going to stir it until it's bubbling, and you're going to want to use a spatula so you can scrape down your sides and your sugars don't get crystallized, okay? So after your 2 tablespoons of syrup, you're just going to go ahead and start boiling her. You need a candy thermometer. You want her to get up to 235, and I keep pointing to where it is. It was about 160 there. Now it's almost there. We're looking, and I'm going to show you in a minute my candy thermometer. It's got the levels that it's supposed to be. We want this at a soft ball stage, and right there at the bottom, that bottom red thing on the right, it says softball stage, and that's where we are. So we pull it off the heat. That's very important. You don't want it to keep conducting heat. Now we pour in our vanilla, our pecans, and I'm going to put in my espresso powder. I saw something about this coffee that tastes like butter pecan. I was like, well, let me try that in some pralines. So then they're going to be soft enough. You're going to keep stirring until it's got a matte finish. It's going to be really liquidy, so keep stirring until it's got a matte finish. Then spoon them out on Silpat or on some parchment paper. Do not use wax paper, or the wax will stick to the candy, okay? And you're just going to scoop them out one at a time. If they spread, put it back in the pot and stir it a little longer till it gets matte. All right. Now that's all we're going to do. We're just going to scoop them out, let them dry, and enjoy them. If you like coffee, you're really going to love this. Like and subscribe. I love you all. I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you get to make this lovable treat. Again, I'm doing this to make money, so any interaction with my channel helps. Bye.